So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get a refund on the McDonald's app. So first of all, open up the app and you will need to log in or create your account, and you can check a video about that on the channel already. On here you can see home, deals, order, McDelivery, and the more options. On here from the more options you can see food, restaurant, account, some other options as well, like region and language. On here, go to the restaurants and you can see the restaurants that are on here. So from here, and you can see some filters. If you have problem with mobile order and pay, you can see some of the restaurants here that offer that. So let's just choose one of these. So you can see this restaurant and you can get direction to it. Now from here, in order to get a refund, so let's back out of the map, you will need to contact them through this page right here. And through the contact them page, you can lodge a complaint. So note the incident that you had with the restaurant, something that you want to complain about to get the refund. But what they suggest is finding that restaurant on the map on here, finding their contact information, contacting them first, and then going over there and showing what's the issue, and you will probably get a refund right there and then. So try to go physically there first. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on McDonald's or some other topics you might enjoy as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.